Hello, I'm Dr. Glen Steele from Southern College of Optometry in Memphis, Tennessee, retired. This course, Visual Issues and the Autism Spectrum Disorders, addresses the growing awareness that vision and observations of vision characteristics can aid in early identification of children on the spectrum. Research studies are increasingly showing this and raises the need for earlier identification and intervention, which there's a service that optometrists can provide. It emphasizes the assessment and diagnosis of eye and vision conditions most likely encountered in the examination of this population. We will use these observations to guide the optometrist in the appropriate treatment plan and potential referral sources.